Hello, hola, I'm your girl, Rena MoMoney. Thank you so much for coming back and joining me. If this is your first time on the channel, you are in for a treat. I come on here to talk about how you can crush it in real estate, your finances, credit cards, and ways to help you to become a better you. Well, again, today's no different. Today, we're going to talk about how to scale up your real estate business. Yes, your real estate business. So come on in. It doesn't matter if you are a new investor or if you're just jumping in. It doesn't matter if you are a realtor, a real estate agent, and you're wanting to start investing. It doesn't matter if you are a wholesaler or a bird dog. There is so many different areas of real estate to tap into. It does not matter if you are just wanting to make money off real estate. It doesn't matter if you're already making six figures. What we're going to talk about today is how to scale that up to the next level. So if you're already making $120,000 or $150,000, you now want to make $250,000, you're on the right channel. If you're only making $50,000 a year in real estate and you're trying to get to the six figures, guess what? You're on the right channel. Some of these tips and tools will sound obvious, but we need to reiterate a lot of them. And then there's a few that you probably say, that's a good one. And if I've ever made you say, please subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe now, because I come on this channel to give you valuable information for free. And this information would definitely help you save money or make money. The first tool and technique that I want to get out is business habits. You must establish business habits. You say, okay, Rena MoMoney, what business habits do I need to add to scale up? I already have business habits. I already know what I'm doing. I'm already grinding. Well, make sure that you're organized. Make sure that you're consistent and that you change your mindset and know that you're going to reach that goal. Make some sacrifices. If you already say, well, look, I'm trying to be flexible. I only want to spend 2 hours on this a week. Well, guess what? You get out what you put in. The second tool that I want to give you how you can blow up and scale up your business is to build a team. You must build a team. You cannot do it all on your own and be big and be successful and have a grand six-figure business. If you are currently operating as a wholesaler, as a bird dog, it doesn't matter. If you're just giving out data to investors, whatever you're doing, get you an assistant to help take care of non-income producing activities. That is so key. I can't tell where everyone is, but wherever you are, you have the ability to make the sacrifice to start getting a team developed. You want to get a VA or an assistant to help you with the non-income producing activities. The third way to scale up your real estate business and blow up is to have several marketing tools. You always hear me say have several lines in the water. If you haven't been down my YouTube channel, I'm constantly talking about and giving valuable tips on lines in the water, all the mechanism and what to do step by step. Make sure you take some time out and go down my YouTube channel. You say, Rena MoMoney, name a few, help me out. I'm already doing this and this. Well, guess what? Add one more. So if you're already hard on social media, then start doing more text blasting and add email blast. If you're already doing text blasting, or add more. Drive for dollars a little more. If you're headed to the movies, go down a different street. Go down towards the neighborhood, in the community, and look at some of those vacant houses so that you can send them out a marketing piece. Add more tools, add more lines of marketing in the water. If you're not already posting on Craigslist, believe it or not, folk are still going on Craigslist looking for deals. Get your VA or your assistant to make sure that they're posting 3 to 5 times a week. When you do that, that will add to your marketing, that will add to you blowing up. Also, as you're adding more marketing tools, make sure you use systems and apps and software, which means you will in turn spend a little money. But if you're talking about blowing up, that's what you're going to have to do. Spend a little bit more money. Make sure you have the right team as you develop that team. Again, that VA or that assistant, cold caller, contractor, realtor, title company. The next way to blow up your real estate business is to do more networking. If you haven't already started going to RIA groups, Go to the one in your neighborhood. Network with those that are there. You will find a contractor there. You will find other investors there. You will find wholesalers there. You will find bird dogs there and contractors. And guess what? People looking to fund your deal. You will also find lenders at these RIA meetings. As you go to the RIA meeting, here's a tip. Here's a good one. Buy you a t-shirt. Buy you a t-shirt that says who you are. So if you are a wholesaler, say, I am a wholesaler. Do you want houses? If you are an investor and you're trying to find more, say, I'm still buying. Be creative. Don't say I buy houses. Be creative. Get a t-shirt and wear that t-shirt around, because guess what? You are branding yourself, and that's another way to build up your business, to blow up your real estate business. The next one is to make more offers. You got to make more offers. If you're only making 3 offers a month, well, if you look at the ratio and you do your research on getting deals, especially if you're an investor or wholesaler or even an agent, you must make more offers. You must do what it takes to make more offers. Put in crazy offers. Just put in offers. That's going to be key in blowing up and scaling up your real estate business. Before I go into the next few, you know what I like to do? I like to mention my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, and if I'm giving you valuable information, if I've ever made you say, or if I'm giving you something to think about, please subscribe and make sure you like, because it helps out my YouTube channel. Not only does it help out my YouTube channel, it helps me to keep going. Also, for this month of July, I am doing a giveaway, a July special giveaway, and I will be announcing the winners in the first week of August. It will be multiple winners that I'm going to cash out $20 to $50 to multiple individuals that have liked, subscribed, commented, and put their Cash App name inside of the comment section of any video that I have posted in the month of July. It can be any video that was posted in the month of July. So make sure you take some time out. Also look in the description. I go over it in details on how you can enter to win $20 to $50. I'm going to be Cash Apping this the first week of August. Okay, without further ado, let's keep going. I think I'm on number 6 or 7. I have so many, but I want to make sure I always say the pertinent stuff. The next way to scale up your real estate business is to do joint ventures. Yes, joint ventures. That's when you get with other wholesalers, other investors, other realtors, other real estate agents, other lenders, other title companies. This is when you get together and you partner up. Next way to scale up your real estate business is to leverage your funds. Let me explain. Don't buy with all cash. And I think I said that on a previous video. Don't buy one deal with all cash. If you have money sitting aside and you say, okay, I just did this wholesale deal, I now have X amount of dollars, or now I've done several wholesale deals, or now I've done this, or now I sold a rental, or wherever you are, if you have these funds, don't get caught up in putting all your money because the seller says they want all cash. You have to leverage your dollars. And if you want me to talk more about leveraging your dollars, make a comment below and I'll go into details, or we'll make another video about how to leverage your funds when doing real estate deals. Be sure to buy one rental every year. So if you're in this for the next 3 years, the next 13 years, the next 23 years, be sure to buy one rental every year, regardless of what your primary focus is. So if you are an agent, buy one rental a year, rental property a year. If you are a person that's only say, I'm going to invest in tax deeds and tax liens, buy one rental a year. If you are a wholesaler, buy one rental a year. And I promise you, you will definitely have a legacy and you will build so much wealth, and you have already instantly blown up your real estate business just by buying one rental a year. So invest, invest, invest. I would say, be a consultant in every situation possible. Anytime you can talk with someone that has a problem with real estate, you be the problem solver. I hope this information was helpful. Be sure to go down my channel. I have so many videos on step by step. I have videos on wherever you are in your real estate, side hustles, credit cards. If you pay attention, I always stream something across here to help you save money or make money. So thank you, and you take care.